I've got a brand new product from Early Rider to show you. It's called the Super Velio. Let's get out the box. The Super Velio, this is a ride-on toy for babies. It's designed to precede your typical balance bike, and it rides on spheres instead of wheels, and that creates a no tipping point, so they get a bit of extra support. So you may have seen the black Velio. It's essentially the same design, but now we have some nice new colors, a wooden frame, and slightly different styling. Loving the plywood frame with the walnut veneer. That looks really nice. It comes in pink, blue, mint green and ivory. This rear tilting sphere is completely unique. It's designed to give kids the confidence they need when they're just starting out and before they develop all those fears. This adjuster on the back allows you to adjust the strength of the tilt back. Just like the Velio, you get this tiller on the back, which helps with the first kind of steps. Same design as the Velio, new colors, wooden frame. Let us know what you think. Which designs you prefer? The new Bella or the Velio?